Hello, everybody. I'm here today virtually, of course, with David Zwang, and many of you will know David as, with all respect, a veteran analyst and commentator on the production printing world. And he's also chairman of the Ghent work group, as you know, a major contributor to what they think. And he also runs his own consultancy business. So, welcome, David. Great to see you again.
Hey, thank you. It's always great to see you and look forward to seeing you in the future live and in person at some point.
Yeah. So, yeah, David, I know you can provide us with a lot of valuable insights into many areas from workflow to packaging. But yeah, today I want to focus really on Inkjet, if I may. So, yeah, my first question is you were in Texas, I think, last month for the Inkjet Summit. And can I just start by asking what were the key trends you observed there?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It was actually very exciting to be there for a lot of reasons. First of all, because it was in a live event and I got to see people I hadn't seen in a while. But the energy level was amazing. I think that people around Inkjet were very excited, and not just excited, they were interested, they were engaged. They wanted to understand. Okay, yeah, we guess it's time to get into Inkjet if we're not already in it. What are we going to need to do? What are the issues that are going to be affecting us as we go into this? So it's not just about buying a piece of equipment.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So, yeah, listening to you, I think you are optimistic about the future of Inkjet. And so, what do you think it will continue to make advances in the market post-pandemic?
Yeah, I think that one of the things, and this is something that also that I've seen that also came out of the Inkjet event, was that the people are things are changing. The pandemic it has accelerated the change, but they were changing even before the pandemic. The way people bought things, commercial printing, packaging, etc., the relationships between the customer, etc., and the printer, the print service provider have changed. So you start looking at kind of different dynamics in terms of the way that people do business. And Inkjet leads itself into supporting these new waves: on-demand print, variable data print, or packaging for that matter, and the ability to begin to start integrating your businesses, your customers' businesses, your suppliers' businesses into a much more integrated workflow, a holistic workflow. And I think that a lot of that people are really beginning to see that. And the people who did that before the pandemic actually made out a lot better during the pandemic because they were in a
Yeah,
position to be able to do that.
yeah. No, very interesting to hear. So, yeah, one final question for you, David. So, what would be your advice to any European print business who is now thinking about investing in high-speed inkjet, and whether it's in cut sheet or sheet fed or continuous feed? What's your advice for them?
Well, I think that it's not just a European issue. I think this is globally. I think because things have changed, and I think that cut sheet, especially in the commercial space, has been one of the kind of the missing links, if you will. There's been very limited cut sheet availability for Inkjet, and now there's a lot more. And I think that's one of the things that's really exciting commercial printers. I think that as the analog printers, the operators, the machine operators start to get older, and we start to look at how do we engage younger people into the industry. Inkjet is going to be one of the things that's going to excite them and bring them in, and allow them to learn the skills at a much quicker level, if you will, than they used to in the old days. So I think it's something they have to do. I think that's something that they should be, if they haven't already, they better start soon, because their competition will. There's no doubt about it. As I said, I think that the excitement's there. People are beginning to become very aware of how important it is, so they're going to start making the moves.
Yeah. Okay, well, thanks, David. Some really interesting insights again from you, as usual. And I really enjoyed listening to your thoughts, and I'm sure everyone else did the same. So I'm looking forward to catching up with you again, hopefully next time in person. And yeah, thanks again, and goodbye to you, David, and to everyone watching. Thank you.